Hey, how's it going, guys? So today we're going to be looking at a cool formula in Excel. It's called Datedif, and it's actually a bit of a strange one because it doesn't actually pop up within the functions within Excel. So you can't actually find it on here. Let's have a look. Yeah, which is weird. Datedif. No, it doesn't actually pop up. So yeah, it's one of those. You either know it or you don't. But basically, I'm going to show you it today, and it's a great formula when you're trying to compare days, months, or years between two dates. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so what you want to do is start off, so equals, and put in dated if, open bracket, and it doesn't actually tell you anything how to, like, in terms of how to follow the formula structure. But what you want to do is you want to start off with the first date, comma, and then date 2. So you're going from the previous date to the current date, and again, comma, and what you're trying to find out now is the days between them. So if you do open quotation, D, close bracket, and it gives you the days in between those two dates, which is absolutely fantastic. But the cool thing about this is you can do it for months and years. So let's do that again. Dated if, first date, last date, and you put an M in for month, 256 months, and now for years. Oh, made a little mistake there. Dated if, first date, last date, and we put a Y in for years, 21 years. So yeah, that's a cool formula. It's one that you either know or you don't know. And hopefully today, guys, you've came across this video and you know it. Thanks a lot. See you later.